see that. I hope that is not the case. And also about these diseases, we can check it in the lab. Okay, we have to send a sample to an external lab and they can check it. It takes a few days, but since we can send the blood test today or tomorrow because it's an external lab and today is feast, tomorrow is weekend. We are talking among us about his case. We have. I'm telling you this to try to avoid you to spend money. Okay. We have to see the immediate response, but it depends on how it goes during the weekend. Maybe we are going to suggest to send that test for these diseases. Okay. These diseases is transmitted by fleas and by ticks also.
What kind of disease is that?
There are many that can be. It calls the most common in cats. It calls Hemobartonella. We have to check it. We don't know. Another one is called Mycoplasma. Another one is called Rickettsia. Another one is called Ehrlichia. All those diseases are vector transmitted diseases. It means that diseases are transmitted by fleas or by ticks or by these mosquitoes, you know.
And this disease causes the anemia.
Can cause anemia, yeah. But cats can have the disease and develop the disease when they have something that lowers the defenses, like another disease in this case. That is why I have that thinking and that suspicious, but we don't know until we can confirm it. But even so, he's on that antibiotic also, so we can treat that disease.
Okay. I am just curious. In a short time, he lost so much blood. What was it? The first blood test he had? What the hemoglobin was? The first test.
I can check it. I don't remember exactly the values of hemoglobin, but I remember that the hematocrit, that is the value that I remember. The first one is 20. 20. The second 20. So it's not that common that this happened. That is why we didn't expect it also. And the third one is 7.
20 from 7. 20 reduced to 7 in a very short time. It's very strange, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of strange. It happens. It happens. But the normal thing is that if the first one is in 20, the second one should be in 15, and then the third one in 10, not 20, 27, you know? It's kind of stable. And
after the transfusion, what is the rating?
We have to...
You haven't tested yet?
No, tomorrow, because it's too soon. Yeah. But I think that a good value is going to be is if over 12, we can be also happy.
Okay.
Because
last few days, the day that I came here to visit him, he was alright, wasn't he? And I was going to take him home.
Yeah, I know. But it's medicine. We can't control everything. And we think that he has more than one disease.
You think so?
Yeah, this kind of parasite that I'm telling you. And the thinking...
The Mycoplasma causes the blood loss as well, anemic.
All these parasites that I mentioned cause anemia because these parasites are in the belly cells and they eat blood.
What kind of antibiotic did you treat him?
He was on amoxicillin, you have for other cats, and also he was on marvofloxacin before for the kidneys. Right now we changed the marvofloxacin for doxycycline.
Okay, doxycycline normally treated for mycoplasma.
Exactly. Treats all the parasites that I said are treated with doxycycline. You have to give it for 28 days, but it treats all these diseases. If it's a parasite that we suspect. Maybe this
without having the test of this parasite and just treat it with the doxycycline.
She's already on that, yeah.
Is it safe for 28 days?
Yeah, normally it's no problem to give it.
Not required. That means he doesn't require to have a unnecessary test for this parasite than if it's on the antibiotic.
Yeah,
right?
normally, yeah, I understand that, and sometimes when we receive cats from, I don't know, a protector or something like that,